Across from the White River, this Vermont retreat combines a cozy post and beam house with a heated studio building that includes creative spaces, a living area, and even a stage with balcony seating. Across from the White River, this Vermont retreat combines a cozy post and beam house with a heated studio building that includes creative spaces, a living area, and even a stage with balcony seating. The main level of the home offers a comfortable living room centered around a Woodstock Soapstone wood stove, along with a dining area, modern kitchen, and beautiful soapstone countertops. A 3/4 bathroom with laundry and a bright sunroom add even more functionality, while water and hillside views create a peaceful backdrop throughout the property. Upstairs, An office area surrounded by abundant storage provides a practical workspace, while the bedroom offers generous closet space and more of the unique details that give this home so much personality. Clever storage and whimsical architectural touches can be found throughout, making the home both creative and highly functional. Across the courtyard, the heated barn studio opens up an entirely different world of possibilities. The main level includes a spacious studio room, a cozy living area with its own wood stove, sink, and mini fridge, plus another studio space with a half bath. Upstairs, an impressive stage with balcony seating creates a truly unique setting for music, performances, celebrations, gatherings, or creative projects.